Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Panday Kayan. If you are new to the channel, please consider a subscribe, like, share, or comment. So the great thing about these solo videos is you don't need anyone to train with. You can do this by yourself in your backyard or in your home gym. FMA is definitely impossible to really get good at without having a training partner. But at the same time, there's a lot of things that you can do by yourself. So here's some of those things, check it out. In this series, I wanted to offer some free content, free training videos for basic warm-ups, basic foot warm-ups, basic stick warm-ups, as well as Sinawali variations and basic knife defense as well. If there is something that you'd like to see, please let me know in the comments. We can possibly make a video for that. If there's some technique or some movement that you'd like to see broken down, please let me know in the comments. So in this video, let's start out with our basic foot warm-ups and our basic stick warm-ups. From there, we can go into some application. Please enjoy the video. Thank you and take care. Hey guys, look out for part 2 of this video series, Basic Strikes and Variations of Sinawali.